Peace. Peace, family. How y'all feeling? How y'all flowing? Hope everyone is doing well. So, I wanted to talk a little bit about the body as an instrument. We have this amazing thing called a body, right? And it is capable of so many different things. One of the things that it's capable of is healing. And so, as the body is an instrument that can conduct and generate energy, we can utilize some of these functions to create change and transformation within ourselves and within our lives. As day 1 through day 3 focuses on the root chakra, we were and have been focusing on the foundation of our life, right? When you came into this world, you manifested as an energy, and whatever family you were born into, whatever circumstances financially you were born into, whatever values, whatever culture, whatever belief, those are the things that became your foundation, right? And unfortunately, a lot of us didn't have a lot of say in what that foundation looked like. And because some of us had dysfunctional foundations, we are now tasked with the responsibility of kind of clearing up some of that stuff, clearing up some of the dysfunction, healing some of those wounds, and reprogramming beliefs so that we can create the life that we really want to live. So the root chakra is focusing all about healing that foundation, taking inventory of what your life has been building upon, right? Whatever you're trying to create, whatever you're trying to build for yourself as you move through this life, it is all, again, being built on a foundation. And it's important that we take a look from time to time at what that foundation might be so that we can come to a better understanding of the things that really need our attention. As our bodies are instruments and conduits of energy, we know that we have different portals, right, through which energy comes in and goes out. And so we are really focusing on the 5 senses of this instrument, being taste, touch, sound, sight, and smell. These are the senses that we will utilize to kind of backdoor the mind, if you will. One of the things that's really important and that can be really helpful and useful on the healing journey is the use of symbolism, right? The use of color, the use of non-traditional healing tools, the use of sound, different healing sounds, binaural beats, bija sounds, vowel sounds, different toning and tuning, like all of these different things come together so that we may be able to heal holistically. So the journal prompt for the first 3 days is asking you just to consider what are some things that you would like to change, or what are some ways that you would like to grow in 2024. So as you write about growth and change in this way, you will begin to get some ideas about what it is that you want your next year to look like. I mean, January is right around the corner, right? So everybody's about to start setting all of these goals and New Year resolutions, make all of these empty promises to themselves that they're probably going to forget about halfway through. No shade. We're all human, but that's why we make time. That's why we create moments like this so that we can gather together and we can build and we can share with each other, keep each other accountable, but also to share our experiences on our journey. You never know who you might inspire. You never know who might need you, who might need what you have to say, who might need to hear your heart, who might need to feel your energy. So it's important to take the time to make for yourself so that you can relax and you can heal and you can create the life that you truly desire. We are finishing the color red. We are strengthening our root chakra. We are stimulating our physical energy. We are beginning to think about some of the change and growth that we want to see in 2024.